Hi friends, welcome.
I don't say that anymore.
I know you don't, but I miss it. Shut up.
Hey guys, welcome back. So today's video is obviously gonna be very different. Today I brought my two brothers here. Well, I guess I have more than two brothers, but okay. My two brothers here. This is Austin, this is Andrew. Austin is my younger brother. He is, for context purposes, he is 24, I'm 27, Andrew's 31. Just so you know how far apart, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying. For today's video, we're gonna be doing a Who Knows Me Better. So I wrote some questions down, and obviously I'm gonna be asking my brothers, you know, questions about me, and then they're gonna be answering them on their whiteboard, and I'm also gonna obviously answer them on the whiteboard, and then we're gonna see who knows me best. You know, we're gonna see. If you hear any children, there's about 85 of them running around, so
yeah, Andrew.
Sorry about that. Andrew has one child.
Sorry.
And the dogs. Don't forget the dogs.
We have 3 dogs. That's the thing also. So,
yeah, Lexi.
So sorry. So, are you guys ready? Why didn't you pick pink?
Yo, I was thinking about it. All right, give me that now.
Now I want the pink. Question number 1. What was my first tattoo?
Stop.
Okay. Do we just turn it? Am I gonna say like 1, 2, 3?
You want to count them down? I guess I don't know.
All right, I'm gonna say 1, 2, 3. I guess.
Okay, cool.
1, 2, 3. I can't read. Are you guys reading them?
Star.
Hashtag Rihanna.
Star in the ear.
Star in the ear.
All right, on the ear. Hashtag Rihanna. You know what? This marker is cacapucut, so I'm just.
Yes,
we're switching.
pink.
It's cacapucut.
Now you're right.
So I got 1.
Question number 2. I was a published poet for writing a poem about what?
Oh, crap.
1, 2, 3. Oh, you can't even see what mine says. Mine says Nemo the dog. What'd you write? What'd you write? Divorce? Love? Definitely wrong, but look at this handwriting. Okay.
Well, I mean, she loved the dog Nemo, so come on.
Nemo was mine. What kind of dog was
We had him for 2
I think he was like a multiple too.
I feel like he was.
Yeah.
Well,
So
I hope we had him for 4 days because literally the first line of the poem was, I had him for 4 days.
Okay. How many nights?
Ooh, shit, wait a minute.
A fortnight. It was a fortnight.
Oh, wait a minute.
I don't even add up.
That's what you're right.
Number 3. What was the first color I dyed my hair? 1, 2, 3. Incorrect. Incorrect.
No.
Black. I dyed it black and then I dyed it red.
Yeah.
I see how you wouldn't know that because my natural hair is almost black, but you're wrong.
Yeah, she lying though. Just
What kind of question is this then?
She lied about her own stuff. Just don't.
You're
Don't trust
boring.
her, right?
What is my favorite color? I'll accept. There's one that's like more specific, but I'll accept the general version, so it's okay. 1, 2, 3. I feel like you can't see my board at all.
Is it purple?
No.
Lavender.
Yo, had I put aquamarine, would I been right?
Yo, but lavender's kind of close.
I said teal, but blue. Cause like I would have accepted blue. But you know,
I should have said aquamarine.
you dookie.
I
You
was
dookie.
between teal and turquoise in my head.
You see?
Don't
I don't
post
know
this.
I should've-
where I know this.
Don't
You're
post
getting
it.
everything wrong.
You got
Oh,
one
we still
right.
tied though. It's all good.
This one, okay, this one I think you guys are definitely gonna get. And if you don't get, if you like specifically you're stupid. What am I scared of?
Oh God.
You know what? I'm gonna switch because I feel like you can't see brown. I'm just gonna switch my color like every freaking question. Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Austin.
Everything.
Oh.
Wow. Bugs to be specific. I'm not scared of. I'm only scared of bugs. I wrote spiders. Bugs. You know.
Same thing.
Technically, spiders. are not-
I have killed not only spiders in your house.
Yeah,
so
you've
you
killed
know
a
what
lot
I'm
of bugs for me.
Okay, I thought it was something deeper than that.
saying? Commitment.
You missed it. I was in the car before and there was a spider just like.
Let's go.
Did you almost crash the car?
Yo, I
No,
literally,
it's
that
not.
happened to me one time when I was
Oh, yeah, you
driving
called
to
in?
work.
Yeah.
And first of all, I almost crashed. I pulled over, I called my job, and I was like, not right now. And I called Albert, I was like, you better come switch cars with me. And then he did. Tell your friends. What was my most recent upload? On YouTube, that's not clear. What the?
Yo,
What?
she just spoke about that palette, bro.
That's not helpful, I speak about a lot of palettes.
You have to be specific. I just kind of like put like a general idea that I'm still wrong about, but it's okay though. It's okay.
Sit down, please, baby.
Okay, I'm gonna write something.
I mean, if you wrote like makeup, then that's wrong. That
I
don't
mean,
count.
that's obvious. That's everything. Nah, she did a let's play of a video game. Just
Follow me on Twitch. 1, 2, 3. Kylie Jenner palette. You saw palette so wrong.
Is it 2 L's?
I also, it's 2 T's and an E. I have not bought a Kylie Jenner palette in like 85 years, so you're wrong. A new haul is also incorrect, but you know what?
No.
No, it's wrong.
No.
It's a favorite to me. But I do haul so many times that that's not a bad guess. Name a piercing that I used to have that I no longer have. I mean, there's so many. I don't, like, what do I'm not going to write all of them. You win? You just win.
Oh, man.
You made me
I
ink.
want that.
1, 2, 3, go. Snake eyes. Tis correct. No longer have it, you know what I'm saying?
So what are the
You
possible
almost lost your
answers?
tongue because I had it.
No, I didn't. I also had my belly button pierced. I had like my cartilage pierced like 6 times, and then I had a second hole pierced twice, and then a third hole pierced once. Name 3 of my previous jobs. 3 because it's just so easy.
Can I put my nose on the camera?
No.
Am I gonna get demonetized?
Probably.
What's been really rough for me is that the hoop has like a constant booger on it.
Oh, can I just?
All the
Oh
time.
my god, Lexi had,
So I just, like-
Lexi had a booger right on her nose ring yesterday. And I was like, you got a booger. She's like, no, it's my nose ring. I'm like, no, that's a booger.
I kept flipping to the front, so I was like, oh no, thing's sticking out of the ring because he keeps doing that.
What sucks about the hoop is that like when it turns, like whatever's inside is exposed, and I'm just like, get back over there. Fucking look at that.
Turn around.
1, 2, 3.
Bank purse.
I mean, you're right.
Thank you.
That's right.
Stripper.
You're also right. Did you write the same things? Oh no, you wrote bank person
Both.
and he wrote Buffalo Wild
Buffalo
Wings.
Wild.
So Elver goes.
Wait, can I see this stuff, bro? Like,
I don't know.
Whatever. Who cares? We're good.
Elver names stuff, and he's like, he names, like, let's say he says Buffalo Wild Wings, Dave and Buster's, CPK. We met at Olive Garden. I just can't even talk to you. I didn't even work at CPK. Why don't I drink? See, I don't like how you're laughing.
Now, should I put it in MLA format with 1-inch margins?
I want to see your citations.
I want to write a poem about it, actually.
I had him for 4 days.
You might get demonetized
I'm
for
gonna
this.
take your tablet with
You
you.
might not even
Stand
put
up
this one
for
in
it.
the video, honestly.
I want to know what you could possibly have.
The same thing I always say.
Ripped
You
in
know
the
what?
chat?
You know what? Nah, hold up. I'm gonna get it wrong regardless, but I'm gonna put this anyway. So.
1, 2, 3, go.
I hope this isn't like a
Relax.
All right, Loki.
Hey.
He don't even live here. Every time you drink, you get butt naked and act very weird. Hashtag lightweight. She was sloshed for 4 days. JK, she went to DR and traded drinking for health. What?
So remember when you went because of the thing with your body part?
Yes.
Is that
yes.
why?
No, very wrong.
Okay,
it
cool.
tastes gross.
And you were rating that.
I'm
And then
so
you were
pissed.
racing.
I'm
You're like,
so
gonna get
mad.
along anyway.
Nasty.
I
I don't
couldn't tell you, though.
I literally told Elver yesterday. He was like, "You don't like the taste." I was like, "Yeah, but I feel like people are gonna think it's because I always got naked, but I don't really care."
Nah, it was definitely.
Loki hit into this. Is it still good?
I think so.
I'm still in it.
I'm so.
Somebody give me a napkin. I roll on the table.
Probably
back.
like I don't know, 8 questions left probably.
Do it.
9.
Oh my
I mean,
god,
7.
what the hell? How did you do that?
What you been doing, bro?
Wow.
Papi Chulo, what happened over there?
How much you paid for that was worth it. Good job.
I know. I
So-
got it from work.
Not
I got it from work.
sponsored.
Like, you come here, just call-
Why did I name my dogs what I named them? Both of them. There's 2 of them. 1, 2, 3, go!
Yeah.
Because you love milkshakes. Wrong. Because cheddar looks like a cheese nib. I do love milkshakes. That's not one. Cheddar because of Brooklyn Nine-Nine. Yes. Milkshake because she brings the boys to the yard. Yes. Both correct.
Wow.
I wrote it here. Milkshake brings all the boys to the yard. Cheddar in B99.
That is wrong.
First of all, you're not going to talk about milkshake like that. In what year did I get married?
Oh, son of a bitch. So we in 2021.
I know you know.
I screw. Who? What we got? That's what I put. What's the last number? Tell me.
Phone the, what is it? Ask the audience.
Asia, you know the answer? Tell me. What's up?
Now go back.
1, 2, 3. Austin is right and he's wrong.
How often that?
2016.
Mother, son of a poopy.
Yeah, hold that. Hold that.
Sit down.
Hold that.
What is my favorite thing to eat? What do you guys think it is?
Ice cream.
Ice cream.
Alright, but that's what I'm saying. Like technically, I'm right.
Shake, shake,
Shake,
no
shake.
shakes.
Oh, I meant to write Shake Shack.
I'm thinking of food, not a dessert.
First of all,
I'm thinking
this is why I think it's ice cream. Or, I mean, not I think, I know it's ice cream. This is why I know it's ice cream. No matter what I ate for dinner, at the end of the day, I always had ice cream.
Like a pint of it.
Like a whole pint.
Like the whole thing.
I mean, but that's
maybe sometimes even 2
I'm
pints.
gonna give it to Austin because milkshakes are made of
It's ice cream.
ice cream. What is my favorite show? There is one top favorite show. There are lots of shows I like, but there is a top favorite.
I think I know that one.
So, what do you guys think it is?
Brooklyn Nine-Nine. Brooklyn Nine-Nine or How I Met Your Mother.
How I Met Your Mother.
Oh!
Brooklyn Nine-Nine is like a solid second place, but How I Met Your Mother is just so good.
Well, you don't even talk about How I Met Your Mother like that.
What do you?
Exactly. No,
All you do is talk about Brooklyn Nine-Nine.
Exactly.
Oh, you talk about cheddar.
Friends is better.
I want to do me. I want to see how well you guys know me.
First of all, it's very easy. GG, rip in the chat. What else? The Jewel. Lexi, you bitch. Not much
You know
more.
what? Congratulations.
What is Katie Danger's job?
Right
I
now?
was supposed to, right now. I was supposed to ask it like Chandler, you know,
Oh
what
my
is
God.
Chandler Bing's
That's
job?
so funny.
I am a finance specialist. Pays doctors and stuff, does payroll, budgeting, stuff like that. Working the books at a startup company. I guess like technically you're both right. What is my favorite movie?
Game blouses. Let's go, baby.
Can I put 2? You pick 1.
What? No, you put 1. I have a favorite. It's like
That's it, bro.
My
You
favorite.
wrote it already. Why you be dragging it? Just you wrote something down. Turn the
Oh
board.
my gosh, if this is what I was
Listen, I want to let YouTube know right now that I guarantee that the 2 that I would have put down, one of them is 100% right. Either way, that's what matters.
I think Andrew won. I don't even think about that.
Countdown for this one. Oh, too late. It
You
already happened.
wrote it
the water
down.
boy.
I won twice in this one game. That's what I'm saying.
Yeah! So we've got a wiener!
Come on.
They had me in the first
Come
half. I'm not gonna lie.
So clearly Austin knows me better. Proud of you, girl. Clearly. Literally. So that is it for today's video. Thank
Bye.
you guys so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you did like it. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter. The other one, what is the other one?
Instagram.
No, I said that already. TikTok. It's always TikTok. It's
Don't
always
forget to hit the notification bell either.
notification bell. Do it. You know you want to. That's all I have to say. So I will see you guys in my next video, which will definitely not be like this. Bye. Oh wait, no. What the hell? I didn't do the kiss. Excuse me. Hold on. Bye. Can you move over?
So are we live?
I'm.
YouTube.
Bro,
We're
it's been on
YouTube
for a
live.
while. She got to
At
edit
some,
those stuff, you
at
know?
some point, I'm gonna say hi. So damn it, ma. Hey guys, welcome back. So today's video is obviously gonna be a little bit different. Don't be. Yes. Good.
Okay.